हम होंगे कामयाब हर दिन, हो आस्था के साथ पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब हर दिन.
अवधूत साथे ट्रेडिंग एकेडमी.
Yeah, sir, I can't thank Asta enough. ये कैप जा नहीं रहा है, so please bear that. I don't want to remove it.
Just ठीक है, no problem.
As everyone else, I joined SMM आणि मग नंतर I realized की Papa is a must, so I joined Papa. त्याच्यानंतर मला वेळ नव्हता for at least 2 months, and I thought it was too much to internalize whatever you had taught us. म्हणून मी ब्रेक घेतला आणि I almost missed this foam session. I joined on the last day when the session was beginning, and I can't begin to thank you for the way you have taught us. You have been a very passionate teacher with a lot of patience, and it gives me goosebumps to think what this group of Asthaites can do. If you know a story in American market that happened last year, when a company declared that they are going to short their share, and a group of amateur people didn't allow it to happen. You know, it really gives me goosebumps where we can take this, or rather where Avadhut Sir can take it. You know, that kind of vision I have not seen in and around me anywhere. Yes, all in all, it has been a very satisfactory journey, and thank you from bottom of my heart. Thank you to Titiksha and all the monitors.
I know you have a very, very sweet voice.
Okay.
So whatever is coming in your mind, whatever.
So for all of us, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब हर दिन, हो आस्था के साथ पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब हर दिन.
Wow.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice.
Become a pro, money will flow, the fastest way to grow. Avadhut Sathe Trading Academy.
To register for our upcoming stock market eye openers, click on the link in the description box.